Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App using a mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in. At the bottom of the screen, you will see multiple icons. Tap on the one that looks like a bank or dollar sign. Next, tap on the Bitcoin symbol at the top. Once you are on the Bitcoin page, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, either in dollar or BTC. You can select one of the preset amounts or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Once you have entered the amount, tap Next. You will see a summary screen. Double check the details, tap Confirm to finalize your purchase. After confirming, the Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. You can view your balance or transfer it to an external wallet. And that's it. You have successfully bought Bitcoin on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Financify for more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.